Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shreya's e-learning. Today we will see some topics in cryptography and network security. In this video we will cover following topics. So let's see. So we will see multiplicative inverse and examples in detail. Firstly, we will see answers to try by yourself sums that I gave in my previous video. So answer to 10 raised to 44 mod 49 is 2. So let's start with multiplicative inverse. So this is another method. So the previous method which we saw was extended Euclidean algorithm to find the multiplicative inverse. But this is a simpler method and it uses the Euler's theorem to find the inverse. So it says that if n and a are co-prime. So here condition is that n and a should be co-prime, then a inverse mod n is congruent to a raised to phi n minus 1 mod n. So here also we need to find phi n, and after that we can solve this to get the answer. So let's see using an example. So here example is find the result of 8 inverse mod 77. So while solving multiplicative inverse, there is always a step 1 to find phi n, because since we saw the formula here, there is phi n. So we need to find phi n. So here n is 77. So phi of 77. So using totient function, we will find the phi of 77. So we can write it as phi of 7 into phi of 11 using totient function again. So here 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number. 7 minus 1 into 11 minus 1, we get as 6 into 10 is equal to 60. So we got that phi of 77 is 60. Then second thing, we will write according to this formula. So 8 inverse mod 77 is equal to 8, that is a, raised to phi n, so raised to 60, minus 1 mod n, that is mod 77. And now we have to simply calculate this. 8 raised to 59 mod 77. So to calculate this, we will check earlier rules which we saw. So we will see if any of this can be used. No, because here p is prime number. So we will see any one of this if applies. But here this condition and this condition cannot be applied there. We will see Euler's theorem if any of these applies. No, this condition and this condition does not applies. So we have to solve this using calculator. So we can split this as 8 raised to 55 into 8 raised to 4 mod 77. Again 8 raised to 5 raised to 11 into 8 raised to 4 mod 77. So we will write it as 8 raised to 5 mod 77. So 8 raised to 5 we can easily calculate in our calculator. Whole raised to 11. Again 8 raised to 4 mod 77. So answer to 8 raised to 5 mod 77 is, we will use calculator. So 8 raised to 5 32768. So answer to this we get 43 raised to 11 mod 77 into we get 15. So for this again we can split 43 raised to 5 mod 77 into 43 raised to 6 mod 77 into 15. So here we get 43 into 15. Again we will write mod 77 because this number will be bigger than 77. So we get answer as 29. So the result is 29. So this is try by yourself sum, and answer to these I will give in my next video. Also in my next video we will see multiplicative ciphers of traditional substitution ciphers, where we left and started the mathematics of asymmetric key cryptography. Hope you liked my video. Do like, share and subscribe my video, and click the bell icon for more updates. And comment below your doubts and suggestions. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed learning.